Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today's video is another quick hit of bathroom cleaning motivation in under 10 minutes. Put me on your TV or whatever device you have and let's go. This is our ensuite. We've not quite finished decorating it yet. There's still a few more finishing touches that we need to make, but we're using it as our family bathroom at the moment while our main bathroom is getting remodeled. We've just put up this new bathroom mirror and I'm taking off the plastic covering. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'm here for you every week, bringing you lots of cleaning motivation along to some really great cleaning music to get us in the mood.
I can see clear through my mind, and the secret is to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind, and the secret is to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I stay alive because I feel ready now. I see red, I feel blue, but it's all black and white. It's black and white. And in the night I tend to lose my sight. I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind, and the secret is to shut my eyes and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind, and the secret is to shut my eyes and see through my mind. To see through my
Now for the shower, this always takes me a while because there's a lot of glass. I'm listening to a true crime podcast here and that helps me to stay in the zone. I always listen to podcasts when I'm cleaning. If anybody's interested in my recommendations, I've got a couple of videos that I made about my favourite true crime podcasts. I'll have those linked up here on the screen and in the description box.
I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us.
If you need more cleaning motivation today, I'll leave a whole playlist for you to choose from in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Like this video if you've liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
No matter